Man, the STI is looking better than ever since we threw on the new mods in the last video. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video with STI. Last video was huge. I mean, it was kind of a small mod, but it made such a big difference on the car. As you can see on the car right here, we have a super sick carbon fiber front lip. Moving to the sides, we have carbon fiber side skirts. And last but not least, we have carbon fiber rear spats for the car. All by OLM. It's pretty much a matching lip kit for the STI. It looks freaking good. I'm so freaking happy with how it came out. Overall, it just made the car look 100 times better. But yeah, today's huge. Today we're gonna be installing a Grimmspeed downpipe on the STI. If you guys have been keeping up with the videos, you guys saw we installed the MVRP catback quad tip 3-inch catback. If I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, too quiet for me. It's not loud enough. So hopefully after today, after the Grimmspeed downpipe install, the car will be much louder than how it is right now, because honestly, it's not cutting it right now. I'll go ahead and set you guys up real quick and start it up, give it probably a few revs. What do you guys think? Now it has a good tone to it, but like I said, it's just not loud enough for me. So yeah, with that being said, let's just take this thing back home and let's get this downpipe install going. If you guys have been enjoying the STI content, do me a favor and drop a like on this video, as well as comment down below what you guys think of the car so far. Guys, we're so close to 100K. I think we're approaching 91 right now. And it's crazy to freaking say, like, that's insane. I was looking through the YouTube stuff and I saw right here that 50% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel that are watching the videos. So again, if you guys are enjoying the content, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. All you guys who have subscribed already, honestly, thank you so much. It really means the world. But yeah, that's enough talking. Let's go home and let's get started on this downpipe install, because I honestly cannot wait to hear this thing. So I bought these little low car friendly ramps so I can drive onto them, so I can jack the car up, but with this lip on, I literally, oh, well, I guess if I force it, never mind, I was wrong. It barely fits. Oh my gosh, dude, barely. Alright guys, so this is the Grimmspeed downpipe, which should make the car much louder. Honestly, I haven't heard much sound clips. I've heard a few, but not with this exhaust setup that I have on the car. So I'm kind of curious to see what it sounds like. Yeah, let's open it up. So freaking sick. So guys, this is the Grimmspeed limited catted downpipe. Right off the bat, unboxing this thing, the quality looks so freaking sick. I just think it's so cool how they supply you with everything you need. You know, the gaskets, hardware. They also give you some stickers. Who doesn't love stickers? But yeah, massive shout out to Grimmspeed for supplying all that, as well as Subaru for supplying the downpipe. So this downpipe right here goes for around $759. Oh shoot, they only have one left. If that's too expensive for you guys, I got a discount code for you guys. I'll put it right here on the screen. 10% off of majority of stuff on their website. They've been loving the support, as well as you guys have been loving the videos. So it's pretty much a win-win here. Once again, massive shout out to them. To be honest, I don't know what I'm doing. I did the downpipe, or the J-pipe they call it, on the WRX. And it's much different on that car because obviously this has a different motor and setup. So yeah, we're gonna figure it out. I don't know how to do it, but I saw a few videos. You gotta take off the intercooler and stuff. And yeah guys, I guess you guys are gonna figure it out with me. I'm gonna work on getting this intercooler taken off. It looks like there's 2 bolts right here for the bypass valve, 2 bolts for these vacuum hoses, 1 on each side over here as well. And I think that's it. Alright, so one thing I've kind of forced myself to do now is, okay, these bolts look all the same. All 6 of those literally look exactly the same. These 2 long ones are for the intercooler. So somehow just label them so I know. So I'm just gonna wrap these and put IC, boom, 2 seconds, now I know. Once we put everything back together. I was told push forward, right. So let's see how that goes, honestly. Last time I did this, my nail hit directly on the edge of the plastic. Hurt so freaking bad on the WRX. I'll probably try to find that clip again and replay it. Ay, 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 ay. You okay? Found out I forgot to loosen that hose clamp, so let's do that one and then this can finally come off because I was honestly struggling. Oh, that makes sense. Alright, there's a throttle body. Oh, there. Intercooler's off. My back is killing me already. I'm 6'2", so bending over to freaking get that intercooler off just hurts my lower back so much. So this is the downpipe right here. Heat shield. Get this out of the way and we should have access to the bolts on the turbo. Oh, come on, bruh. That literally took like 30 minutes. There's a whole bunch of 10 mil bolts all around. You guys will see it if you're down there. So heavy. So last night I had a little bit of time and I went ahead and removed the stock downpipe off of the STI. Here's a little side-by-side comparison. We have the stock downpipe obviously right here versus the Grimmspeed. So yeah, the removal was not too bad. It's like 5 nuts right here. There's like 2 right here, but it can all be accessed from right here if you take all that heat shield off. Then there's a mount right here. I believe this goes to like the block, and then 1 right here, and then obviously the 2 right here for the mid pipe. So yeah, pretty straightforward, just a little bit of patience, you can do it. Got new hardware for the mid pipe as well as some new gaskets. So we're gonna go ahead and put all this together right now, get this installed, and then we'll go ahead and flash the tune over on the STI so we can start this thing finally. Alright guys, so the downpipe is officially on the STI. Everything's good to go. Yes, when you throw a downpipe on your WRX or STI, you're going to need a tune. So this right here is a cob access port. This is pretty much how you get the tune on your STI. We got our cookies and cream ice cream. Cob access port is super easy to use. If you want like the off-the-shelf tune off of cob, you just download it on your computer. Literally just drag it into here and then you're good to go. In this case, I'm getting a tune from Boosted Performance. So shout out to you, Graham. He actually works with Subaru a lot, and we pretty much started talking about tuning the STI. So Graham is actually gonna be taking care of the e-tuning process with the car. Base map is in my hands now. All we have to do is literally just drag that file into my cob access port. Like so. Confirm file copy, we'll hit yes. There you go. It's in my cob access port now. It's as simple as that. Now we just go eject access port and we are good to go. Now we'll plug it into the STI. Alright, now we're gonna press the file that we just dragged on the computer. So it's this top one right here, as you can see. Dash is just going crazy right now. Kind of scary, not gonna lie. Alright, installation successful. So this is gonna be our first cold start with the downpipe. I'm honestly super excited to hear what it sounds like. Honestly, I have no idea. I have no idea what it's gonna sound like, but fingers crossed it's loud, because I really want this car to be loud. Ooh, you can kind of hear the turbo now. That's so sick. Alright, pull up to my favorite spot. We're gonna get some revs right here and see what it sounds like. I know I revved it at the house a little bit, but we can open it up since we're kind of in the middle of nowhere. First impressions, to be honest, I want it to be a little bit more loud. Now I'm not too sure. I'm still learning about the STIs and stuff, so I'm not too sure how catless downpipes work, because I know when I had the WRX, it was kind of like a hassle running a catless downpipe. I forget, it was just something with catless downpipes with WRXs. So that's why I chose the catted one with the STI, since it was kind of like recommended with the WRX. But I don't know, let me know down in the comment section below. Should we get like a catless downpipe? Yeah, this car is relatively new to me, so I'm always learning about this car, and I'm always learning from you guys down in the comment section below. Honestly, any feedback that you guys have, I genuinely appreciate it. Learned so much from you guys down in the comment section below, all your feedback, and that's why I appreciate you all. But damn, I've just been looking at it. The STI looks so good with the lip kit. It just made such a big difference. I love it. Definitely idles really nice now. You can kind of hear the turbos. Heck yeah, let me know down in the comment section below what do you guys think. I'm so excited because honestly a lot is coming for this car. This next upcoming month, I'm kind of set on a wrap color, so we're getting the car wrapped sometime in December, probably towards the end around New Year's time, but I think I'm set on a color. I started changing a few things on the car to kind of match with the wrap color, so I mean, I'm so excited. The car's gonna be finally not silver. I'm hyped on changing the color of this thing, and if you guys are excited, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you guys are notified every time I post a video. You guys seem to love the STI content, so you guys already know we're gonna deliver some STI content. I'm always open to, like, you know, recommendations, so whatever you guys want to see on the car, you know, as far as videos, or if you guys want to see more BRZ content, some FRS content, let me know. I'm always reading the comments all the time, seeing what you guys have to say, you know, when I post a video. But yeah, just let me know. I'm always open to video ideas and stuff, so just drop them down below. Alright guys, that concludes the downpipe video. Now as I was editing these clips, I realized at the last spot, I feel like the mic really muffled the sound of the car. I don't know, I felt like I feel like the audio was very quiet on the camera. I don't know what happened. Something happened with the mic and stuff, but the car definitely sounds louder in person as it does in those last clips. It threw me off a little bit, which kind of sucks because those are like kind of like the only exhaust clips that I got in this video. But I'll be sure to get some more in like a future video because we still have to wrap up the tuning with boosted performance. So stay tuned for that video. We're gonna do some more tuning, data logging, pulls, all that fun stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys liked today's video. Next video should be pretty fun. We're gonna be doing some stuff. Well, not really doing some stuff, but kind of addressing the whole ticket with the BRZ and pretty much trying to get that situated. So that's gonna be the next video. I gotta get this edit wrapped up because it's getting super late and I have to wake up super early in the morning. So I haven't done this in a while, but I came across this post actually today and I put it up on my story on Instagram. Right here, it says, never let the things you want make you forget the things that you have. So I'm gonna leave you guys with that little quote for tonight. With that being said, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching today's video and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.